ITI Large and Mid Cap Fund. Will investing in this NFO help you in your wealth creation process and add value to your investment portfolio? Let us find out in an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decisions to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Before analyzing whether this NFO will be a good fit for investment portfolio or not, let us first understand what is a large and mid cap fund. So it is an equity mutual fund that invests in stocks of mid and large size companies. So in large cap stocks in the market capitalization, top 100 companies are designated as the large cap stock, and companies which are ranked from the 101 to 250th place are termed as the mid cap companies. So large and mid cap category looks to invest in both by investing in top 250 stocks of the market capitalization. So this fund might be suitable for a long term investment horizon investors and an aggressive investor who is willing to take a lot of risk. So if you are willing to invest in this fund for more than 7 years or more, then this might be suitable for you to help create wealth in the long run. So this is a large and mid cap fund. Now let us understand a few basic details about the ITI large and mid cap fund. So as an NFO, it opens on 21st August 2024 and closes on 4th September 24. And some of its key features are: it is an open-ended fund type which has Nifty large mid cap 250 TRI as its benchmark, and the minimum amount needed for application in this fund is just 5,000 rupees. And there is no entry load present in this fund, but there is an exit load of 0.5% for redemption within 3 months. So the fund managers for this NFO are Mr. Rohan Korde and Mr. Vishal Jaju. And the investment objective of this fund is generate long-term capital appreciation by investing across the universe of large and mid-cap segment. Here, large cap stocks provide more stability, whereas mid-cap stock offers more growth potential in it. Overall, it enables investors to generate better risk-adjusted returns. So how does it choose to implement the investment strategy to achieve the investment objective? So it tends to generate higher alpha by investing across the large and mid-cap segment. So it helps investors to create a well-diversified portfolio by investing in the large and mid-cap companies. Overall, it looks to generate better risk-adjusted returns by constructing a dynamic portfolio and has better stock selection and sector rotation. So this is the investment strategy it aims to implement in its NFO. So now, as we have understood a basic detail about the ITI large and mid cap fund, now let us move on to analyzing whether this will be a good fit for investment portfolio or not, or is it worth investing in it. So we are going to do that by analyzing the potential merits and demerits present in this NFO. So first we will take a look at the potential advantages present in this fund. So it has low volatility compared to small and mid cap funds, and it also invests in businesses which has the core competency and distinctive advantages especially needed to generate alpha, and it offers better risk adjusted returns if you compare it to other small and mid cap funds, and also it has higher growth potential than purely large cap funds, and large cap fund increases the overall safety quotient of your investment. So it's neither conservative fund or non-aggressive fund, so it might be suitable or ideal for both who are stuck in the middle realm. So this is also the potential advantages present in this NFO. Now let's take a look at the potential demerits of this NFO. So as I have said, this is neither conservative nor aggressive, so this might not be suitable for a very aggressive investor who is willing to take a lot of risk, and also this might not be suitable for a short term period. So because in a short term period market is highly unpredictable, whereas a long term period, at least for 7 years or 10 years more, then the market cycle would also get completed and you get the potential to generate better returns and also stable return. But in a short term period it can go high to low in a very short period of time and in a very unpredictable pattern. So as it is unpredictable in a very short term period, it might not be suitable for you to invest in it to achieve your short term financial goals. As I have previously mentioned, it's better suitable for a long term investment horizon of 7 to 10 years. As this NFO has no transparent portfolio for us to analyze the performance and take a calculated risk, so it's risky since we cannot analyze the securities inside the portfolio. And also during the bull market, this fund may underperform mid cap and small cap fund. So without a proper track record or portfolio, this might be a very risky thing to invest in because we do not know what kind of risk we are taking. We are not taking a calculated risk here, we are taking a blind risk here. So these are some of the major drawbacks of investing in the ITI large and mid cap fund. So what is the final takeaway from our analysis? Is ITI large and mid cap fund worth investing or not? This completely boils down to what kind of investor you are, and it's completely up to you. So if you are an aggressive investor or a conservative investor, or if you have a short term investment horizon or long term investment horizon, or how much allocation you want to give to this fund for your investment portfolio, there are all kinds of factors which makes it consider whether you must invest in this fund or not. But our personal opinion is you can choose other existing large and mid cap mutual funds that have been in the market and has a track record for a minimum of 7 to 10 years instead of investing in an NFO like this, because as an NFO we do not have the proper portfolio and to research the investment here, so it might be really risky because we are taking a blind risk here. But when you're choosing an existing large and mid cap mutual fund that has a track record of minimum of 7 to 10 years, you know how it has performed as it has completed the market cycle, and you know how it has performed in the highs and lows, and you can take a calculated risk by analyzing its performance. But instead of so when you're investing in an NFO, it's highly riskier that way. But if you still want to invest in the ITI large and mid cap fund just to see how it will perform in the long run, then if you have surplus money, you can invest it through your satellite portfolio instead of your core investment portfolio. Even then you can invest in a trial or experimental basis with minimum investment amount needed to invest in this NFO, and later on when this fund starts to perform better and some time has passed, you can slightly increase your investment amount as much as you want to. So you can do it like this also. But if you're still struggling with investments, or if you're still struggling to know whether investing in this will be right fit for you or not, you can definitely consult with a professional like a certified financial planner who will be able to guide you throughout your investment process and make it hassle free for you. So you can also consult a professional for a more better financial future.
And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.